Rezvani, known for its wild and aggressive performance cars, has entered the world of classic-inspired builds with its brand new RR1. Revealed just ahead of Monterey Car Week, the RR1 comes from Rezvani's new division, Rezvani Retro, and is designed to capture the magic of vintage Porsche 911 styling while delivering modern-day performance. At first glance, you might think the RR1 is a restored classic 911 with modern upgrades, but that's not the case. The RR1 starts life as a current generation Porsche 911, then undergoes a dramatic redesign to pay homage to 911 models of decades past. The front end is the most obvious nod to history, featuring retro-inspired headlights, a custom grille, and distinctive black air intakes. The first production example wears a stunning Martini Racing-inspired livery. White paint accented by blue and red racing stripes, along with the number 1 boldly displayed on the hood and doors. The car also sits on unique wheels with bright red aero covers, designed not only to enhance aerodynamics, but also to boost visual impact. At the rear, Rezvani Retro has gone all out. New rear quarter panels blend seamlessly into a large fixed wing, while an entirely new bumper, diffuser, and exhaust setup give the RR1 an unmistakable stance. The look is both nostalgic and aggressive, perfect for the kind of buyer who wants heritage design with track day performance. Inside, the changes are just as striking. The flat-bottomed steering wheel is the first thing to grab your attention, followed by the seat centers finished in blue and red cloth upholstery, echoing the exterior's racing theme. In a classy touch, Rezvani has added 2 analog Tag Heuer timepieces directly into the dashboard. Other details include new carpets, a dashboard plaque, and a handcrafted wooden gear knob. Small but luxurious touches that elevate the driving experience. The RR1 isn't just about looks, it's offered in 2 serious performance flavors. The RR600 is based on the Porsche 911 Carrera T and uses a 3-liter twin-turbo flat-6 tuned to produce 600 horsepower. Power is sent to the rear wheels, and buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual, a 7-speed manual, or Porsche's lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch transmission. For those who want supercar-level performance, Rezvani offers the RR750. Built on the Porsche 911 Turbo S platform, it features a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-6 producing 750 horsepower and comes standard with all-wheel drive and a PDK transmission. This makes it not just a head-turner, but a blisteringly fast machine that can rival the world's top sports cars. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. Each RR1 build starts at $195,000, and that's before you even buy the donor 911. With only 50 units planned for production, the RR1 is set to be one of the rarest custom 911 builds on the market. The Rezvani RR1 is more than just another Restomod. It's a high-performance tribute to the Porsche 911's legendary past, infused with cutting-edge engineering. It blends nostalgia, craftsmanship, and extreme performance into one package, offering enthusiasts a way to stand out in a sea of modern sports cars while still enjoying modern reliability and speed. As it makes its debut at Monterey Car Week, the RR1 is sure to catch the attention of collectors, Porsche purists, and anyone with a love for blending history with horsepower.